What you doing? Where you going? Where you going, buddy?
Buffing.
Huh? Hi. Go look in the window. Check out the window. Niagara Falls. Whoa! Look, Jace. Whoa! Wow! Look at our view. Rainforest Cafe's down there, bub. Where you look? Wanna look? Wanna look? Whoa! 20th floor. Whoa! Here's a rainforest, see it? Cool.
Making waffle. Your waffle cone, Jace.
Hey. Hi. Make a waffle cone. Smells so good. What's that, Jace? What's that? Whoa! See the elephant? We need someone for him though. Gorilla. See the elephants? Look, elephant!
Mama.
Yeah. Hey. It's good. He needs fork, babe. Use your finger. What's that? Letter what? What letter? Elephants start what letter? Huh? What letter? E? Elephant. Elephant. Hello, elephant. That's a gorilla. What letter? Do you know what letter, gorilla? Letter G. Letter G. Hi, gorilla. Letter G. G's. G's, gorilla. Look, it's moving. Moving. It's moving. Parrot. You got a parrot there. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. What's that over there? Zebra. Yeah. Rhinoceros over there. Hmm? And look, it's a toucan. A toucan. Look, a toucan. Toucan. A butterfly. And I see a tail. A moving tail. Look at that. Tiger. Leopard. Look at this. Elephant. The elephant there. Look at that. What's that? Giraffe. You're right. It's giraffe. Yeah. It's a giraffe, buddy.
What is?
Which one? That's a world. That's a world. Like the stars and skies. Look. Stars and skies. Stars. Got the fish over there.
There's a moon.
Toucan.
There's
Yeah.
a moon.
The moon where? You saw the moon? It's moving, Chase. It's moving. Saying hi, Jace. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, gorilla. Butterfly, snake. Snake. Hey.
Hello there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are we? We're doing a room tour. Here's a photograph of Niagara Falls. There's the bed. There's Jace. There's another bed. And these are the view. Oh, sunny. We're in Niagara Falls in Canada side. And here's the little dining table, the TV. And
Look at this guy, man, with his cool glasses.
what's the clothes? Hey, don't let go of my Jump! Yay! Good jump! Hi, Dave. Hi. Where are you at? In Niagara Falls. Yay.
March 20th.
2 years old.
Ontario, Canada. We're in the Canadian side.
You're enjoying your
You're in the Canadian
time?
side, buddy. I've been fishing all day.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to the Niagara SkyWheel.
They talk.
For your safety, please remain seated and do not lean against the gondola doors. For your convenience, we've provided 4 illuminated control buttons in the ceiling.
Dinosaur.
The red button will alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem. The green button controls the fan. The white button is for interior lights. And the blue button will turn audio on and off.
Blue button.
There's a light.
Cool. Whoa, Jace. Look at Niagara Falls.
Oh, look at the light.
Lights.
What is? here? No, stand the lights. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. You see?
Take pictures.
The SkyWheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls. Combined water flow is estimated at over 750,000 gallons per second, which crash into the gorge below. Looking to the south, you'll see the Falls View Casino and the Skylon Tower, with the Canadian Horseshoe Falls in the background. Further south, you'll see Marineland and their triple tower ride, the Sky Screamer. In the northerly direction, Casino Niagara is located across from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins Canada and the United States.
Hey, who's this little man?
Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York,
He's a little
and
man with a
American
balloon.
Falls.
He's in a balloon by himself.
The SkyWheel was built by Chance Morgan Finances. Construction of the wheel took
Niagara
over 6 months,
SkyWheel.
requiring a workforce of...
Little man.
The speed of the wheel is set at approximately 4.5 kilometers per hour, which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Excluding loading and unloading.
Hey, whoa, he's running. Little boy with a purple balloon.
Go run.
The hooded boy with a purple balloon. In Niagara Falls. Yay. What's that? No, it's trash. Hi, buddy. Yay. Little man. Look at our little man.